Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore a fascinating topic that has the potential to change your financial future, the power of compound interest. So if you're looking to grow your money over time and build a strong financial foundation, this video is a must-watch. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Let's get started. Understanding compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful financial concept that can significantly boost your savings and investments. Unlike simple interest, which is calculated solely on the principal amount, compound interest considers the interest earned over time. This results in a compounding effect where the interest itself starts generating more interest. As you keep investing or saving, your money grows exponentially, and the interest accumulates, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your wealth accumulation. The longer you keep your money invested, the more significant the impact of compound interest becomes. It's like a magical force that works in your favor, allowing your initial investment to grow at an increasing rate. By harnessing the power of compound interest, individuals can build substantial wealth over time and achieve their financial goals more effectively. The formula of compound interest. The formula for compound interest is a equal sign P, 1 plus Rn, NT, where A represents the final amount. P is the principal or the initial amount you invest. R denotes the annual interest rate expressed as a decimal. N stands for the number of times the interest is compounded per year, and TT represents the number of years the money remains invested. Let's apply this formula with an example. Suppose you invest $1000P in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%, R equals sign 0.05. The interest is compounded quarterly, N equals sign 4, and you plan to keep your money invested for 3 years, T equals sign 3. Using the formula, we calculate A equals sign 1000, 1 plus 0, 0.54, circumflex, 43. First, we divide the annual interest rate by the number of times it's compounded per year, 0. 0.54 equals sign 0.0125. Then we add 1 to this value. 1 plus 0.0125 equals sign 1.0125. Next, we raise this result to the power of the total number of compounding periods, 1, 0.125 circumflex, 43, equals sign 1, 0.125 circumflex 12, 1.161. Finally, we multiply this value by the principal amount, a 1,000 asterisk $1.161 1,161. This means that after 3 years, your investment will grow to approximately $1,161 due to the power of compound interest. By using the formula A equals sign P, 1 plus Rn or NT, you can determine the final amount your money will reach over a given period, depending on the principal, interest rate, compounding frequency, and time of investment. Hey! If you're still with us, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon button. How compound interest grows over time. To illustrate this, let's consider 2 scenarios. In the first scenario, if you initially invested $10,000 with an annual compounding interest rate of 5%, the investment would grow substantially over 30 years. By the end of this period, the investment's value would exceed $40,000, indicating a significant growth of capital. Notably, the interest earned through compounding during these 3 decades would amount to an impressive sum of over $30,000. This highlights the substantial impact of compounding when it comes to long-term investments. In the second scenario, we compare simple annual interest with compound interest applied monthly. For this illustration, let's assume an initial deposit of $100,000 with a 5% interest rate. Over a 10-year period, the simple annual interest would generate $50,000 in total interest. However, if the same deposit were subjected to a monthly compound interest rate of 5%, the interest earned would rise significantly to approximately $64,700. This considerable difference underscores the advantages of compounding on shorter-term investments, as the interest is continually reinvested, leading to higher overall returns. Maximizing compound interest. Tips and strategies. Compound interest is a powerful tool for wealth building, and to make the most of it, one should consider implementing several practical tips and strategies. Start early. The first and most crucial piece of advice is to start early. Time plays a critical role in the compounding process, so the earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small amounts invested consistently over a long period can lead to significant gains due to the magic of compounding. Consistency. Consistency is another key factor. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can accumulate into substantial sums over time. By maintaining a disciplined approach to investing, you ensure that your money continuously compounds and works in your favor. Diversification. Diversification is a risk management technique that can enhance your investment's potential returns. Instead of putting all your funds into a single investment, spread them across various assets and industries. This diversification reduces the impact of a downturn in any one sector, safeguarding your overall portfolio. Reinvesting profits. It is another powerful strategy to maximize compound interest. When you earn interest on investments or receive dividends, resist the temptation to spend the money. Instead, reinvest those earnings back into your portfolio. This compounding effect can dramatically boost your wealth over time. Avoid debt. One crucial aspect of maximizing compound interest is to avoid high-interest debts. Debts with exorbitant interest rates can quickly erode any gains made through compounding. Therefore, it's wise to prioritize paying off debts before focusing on aggressive investment strategies. Real-life success stories. To inspire you further, let's look at some real-life success stories of individuals who achieved financial independence through the power of compound interest. Warren Buffett. As one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett's interviews and videos are widely available. He is known for his long-term value investing approach and his ability to identify undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. His wisdom and investment strategies have inspired countless individuals in the financial world. Ray Dalio. The founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds, Ray Dalio is known for his principles-based approach to investing. He has shared his thoughts on economic cycles, market trends, and the importance of diversification in interviews and video snippets. Peter Lynch. A former fund manager of the Magellan Fund at Fidelity Investments, Peter Lynch achieved exceptional returns during his tenure. He is known for his invest in what you know philosophy and has shared valuable insights through interviews and lectures. Charlie Munger. The vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and longtime business partner of Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger is renowned for his wit and wisdom. His interviews often provide valuable insights into his investment principles and mental models. Cathie Wood. As the founder and CEO of RK Investment Management, Cathie Wood has gained significant attention for her innovative approach to investing in disruptive technologies and her successful bets on companies driving technological advancements. Her interviews and videos often focus on her forward-looking investment strategies. Some common pitfalls. Compound interest can be a valuable tool for growing wealth, but it's essential to steer clear of common pitfalls that could hinder its effectiveness. Impatience. One such pitfall is impatience. Many people expect immediate results when investing with compound interest, but this approach overlooks the fundamental nature of compounding, which requires time to manifest significant growth. Embracing a long-term perspective and remaining patient can yield substantial returns. Premature withdrawal. Another critical pitfall to avoid is withdrawing investments prematurely. While unexpected financial needs may arise, prematurely pulling out your investments can disrupt the compounding process and result in missed growth opportunities. Resisting the temptation to withdraw early is vital to maximize the power of compounding. Ignoring inflation. It can be a detrimental mistake in long-term investment planning. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, which means that the same amount of money will buy fewer goods and services in the future. Failing to consider inflation in your investment strategy can lead to a reduced real rate of return, potentially jeopardizing your financial goals. Advantages. Can help build wealth long-term in savings and investments. Mitigates wealth erosion risks. Compounding can work for you when making loan repayments. Disadvantages. Works against consumers, making minimum payments on high-interest loans or credit card debts. Returns are taxable. Challenging to calculate. compound interest is a formidable force that can significantly grow your money over time. By starting early, staying consistent, and making informed investment choices, you can harness the power of compounding to secure a financially abundant future. Remember, every small step counts. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy investing.